Howdy everyone. Recently, I am adding a new contact in my contact list in Microsoft Outlook, and I encountered a message which is duplicate contact detected. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through and make you understand what is duplicate contact detected and how you can act on it. Let's understand step by step. So first of all, go to the people, and I have already tons of contact list. So here is my contact. It's my own contact. So I have added the contact with the name of Amit, and I have added the email address, which is this. Now I'm going to create a new contact. So click on the home tab. From the top left corner, there is an option new contact, or you can also use control and key to open the new contact form. Now I will show you. I will enter a different name. Instead of entering Amit, I will add ASMIT. Now I will add the same email address in it, which is amit@mailsmartly.com. This is my similar email address, which I have already added in my existing contact. Now when I click save and close, you will see a dialog box, duplicate contact detected. The name or email address of this contact already exists in the contact folder. Would you like to add a new contact or update information to selected contact? A backup copy will be saved in deleted item folder. That means I have already an existing contact with the name of Amit. Job title is blogger. Company name is Mail Smartly, and the email address is amit@mailsmartly.com. Now, when I have added a new contact with the name of ASMIT, but the email address is same. So if I select this, update information to selected contact, the name of my existing contact is Amit, which is, if I save this or update this, will be replaced with ASMIT. And if I click on add new contact, that means Outlook treat this entry or this inputs as a new contact. When I click on add, this contact will be treated as new contact. I will show you how it works. When I select add new contact and hit OK or hit add, you will see two email addresses. Now this is amit@mailsmartly.com and here amit@mailsmartly.com, but the name are different. And if I use to select the updation version, the name will be replaced with the existing name. I will show you how it works. First of all, I will remove this contact, select this, click delete contact. Now this is my old contact. I want to again create a new one. Click ASMIT, add the email address, the similar one, amit@mailsmartly.com. When I click save and close, the duplicate contact detected dialog box appears. Now I will select this, update information of selected contact. The name replaced with Amit to Asmit. Click update, and here you can see the name of my old contact is Amit, which is replaced by ASMIT. That way you can update your contact or you can use your inputs as a new contact. So for the next time, if you encounter this dialog box, which is duplicate contact detected, you have to act smartly. And if you are going to update your existing contact, you have to select the option correctly. And if you want to add a new contact, then also you have to select the option correctly. If you learn something new with this video, please like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.